Hey folks, Vic here with your weekly trade video for Friday, December the 12th of 2025. Excuse me. Today we're diving into a bit of a twist on the setup that we live and breathe, which is the swing break setup. We just stick to this one core pattern because it just works year after year for many, many years. But Darko also trades a second version, a bit of a nuance, that's just as clean, just as consistent, and just as easy to spot. It's called the Type-2 swing break. That's what he calls it. So in this video, he's going to break it down step by step so you can see exactly how it sets up, how it triggers, and of course how it delivers. So yeah, here's Darko with a full explanation, and we hope you find it useful.
Cat Swissy is, there was a question about Cat Swissy. Say, hey, Darko, I don't see any swing break, but you are having this as a pending order. Great question. This is the type 2 of swing breaks. Okay, the trend is clearly down on yearly, monthly, weekly, daily, everything is down. Okay, so that is the criteria. We have an underlying trend, and then price, when we left this area, price is telling you that we are actually, taking out all these swings. The sellers maintains in control. By the time we made this into a pending order, price was down in here somewhere. Okay, so this was the swing, and now we have another swing. So if this comes down, takes out this swing, then we need to see if we need to adjust the fib from this to be the highest point and this to be a lower point, and then we just take a retracement down because price is too weak to take itself up to pick more sellers. Therefore, we are not touching these levels because this was a perfect trade back the times when this is happening in here. Yes, we were aware of this, but that's a different story. That's more like a trade management part of the trading and not much about the trading setup itself. The trend is down. You should be looking for selling opportunities. So when we left this area, we took out the swings. Let me remove the clutter. Actually, let's just remove this as well for now. Let's just say that this is heading down and making a new lower close, or taking out this swing like significantly. Then the charts will be looking something like this. Let me see. Can I make this? Let's see if I can. Yeah, perfect. Thank you, TradingView, for your cooperation. If something like this happens, and this is the 4-hour time frame, okay, 4-hour time frame, price is heading down like this, like no tomorrow, and the daily chart looks just like this, just more scalable to the up, less candles, because this is 4-hour than the other one is daily. Now when we left this area, we took out this swing in here with conviction. It needs to be with conviction. So that's still type 2 trading. And now when price comes up in here, then we just draw off. When we see this retracement, that's when you draw the fib from the highest point to the lowest point. 9 times out of 10, the 618 fib coincides perfectly with the level of support and resistance. If not so, if we don't see any clean levels of support and resistance, we just take the 618 fib.
So I hope this just gave you a solid feel for how the Type 2 fits right in with our overall approach. If you want more of these real-time examples and live pending orders the moment that Darko posts them, make sure you check out the link in the text below this video or in the email that you received. And you can become a member of our community very inexpensively, and we would love the opportunity to help you become a consistently profitable stage 4 trader. Take care, everyone. Have a great weekend and trading week ahead. All the best.